Unit 29, Part B, Activity 2A. Listen to Tim reading his writing homework to his classmates. What is Tim talking about?
Good morning, everyone. I have enjoyed listening to all the inventions that we heard about in class today. For me, I'm going to talk about the invention that I think is the most amazing and useful. It has helped billions of people around the world to connect to each other. Can you guess what it is? It is the Internet. Do you know that the Internet was invented by not just one single person, but by a group of people who were scientists, engineers, and programmers in the 1960s? The Internet allows us to communicate easily, no matter how far we are from each other. For example, I can chat or do video calls with my grandparents and uncle who live in England. They can also send us photos of beautiful places when they go on their holidays. With the Internet, we can search for information which we might not be able to easily find in books. For example, I used the Internet to search about the Internet when I did this homework.